we are finally trying Baik in Dubai for the very first time. And have a look at this, guys. This is huge, guys. What you see behind me is an iconic moment at the food court in Dubai Mall. Baik has launched its first ever branch right here in Dubai at the Dubai Mall. This is the first day. It's literally just the opening. I think they've been open for maybe 2 or 3 hours yet, and it's already crowded, jam-packed. So let's go see what the hype is about. Then we'll order some of the food. Let's see what options are there, and then we'll try all of that in today's video. This is going to be epic. Let's go.
Chicken.
Yeah, broth is not there. No broth. Alrighty guys, we are finally trying Baik in Dubai for the very first time, and sadly they don't have the broast here yet, obviously because of the whole situation and logistics, but they said very soon broast will also be available here. For now what they have are these fillet nuggets, and have a look at this, guys. Whoa. Here's the prices of what we ordered today. So the nuggets are for 15 dirhams, and then we've ordered one fillet sandwich as well. This is only for 650. So the prices are very reasonable. And then we ordered the prawns meal as well, a little bit expensive at 22 dirhams. So let me show you guys the prawn meal as well. That smells incredible, guys. And then obviously Baik is famous for their sauces, and they've given us their cocktail sauce right here. And then this is the nuggets sauce as well, so we're gonna try that too. This is their very famous garlic sauce right here. Baik Dubai, first bite. Wow, just look at the spices in there. Wow guys, I've had so many nuggets everywhere, but never ever have I had nuggets like these before. That is just perfect, guys. Perfect. Wow. Alright, and let's try the shrimp as well with the garlic sauce. First bite. I like it, but I like the nuggets a lot more, surprisingly. Let's try the fries as well. fries are okay. So far the nuggets are the best. Let's try one more. Let me get that. I think let's try it with the cocktail sauce now. Honestly, the garlic sauce is the best. This is good, but the garlic sauce is really something. Okay guys, let's try the third item that we have today. This is the special sandwich. It's for $6.50. Let's quickly see what's inside. So basically it's a chicken fillet. Look at that guys. It's a spicy chicken fillet with their secret sauce and spices inside a sandwich. And there are some pickles as well. It's okay. Alright guys, so we are done with food and about to head home now. And here's my honest review about the food we had today at Baik. So number one, the chicken nuggets. Now before we come to that, obviously the biggest disappointment right now is that the chicken broast, which is their main item, it's not available yet. So we have to wait a couple of months before that one, they start serving that here. And then number two, the best item that I had today from the entire list was the chicken nuggets, because that's the closest thing to the broast that they're serving in Dubai right now. And those nuggets were absolutely delicious. I'll give them 10 out of 10. The second thing, obviously, because there are limited options right now, so the second thing that I absolutely loved was the prawns. And then the third thing, the sandwich, the fillet sandwich, that was just okay. Like, it wasn't really spectacular. It wasn't something that I would get up and come back every day to have. The price point of all the items is actually very, very fantastic, guys. And the fries that they served, those were just okay compared to, I think, McDonald's fries when it comes to fast food are still my number one. These were just okay, but overall it was a really, really good meal. Definitely had a lot of fun, definitely enjoyed it, and I would definitely come back to try it again, especially when I find out that the chicken roast is in stock and they've started serving it here. Then we will definitely make one more trip back to this place to try and review the chicken roast as well. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, press like on this video, and leave a comment down below if you have tried Baik before and if you are a fan of Baik or not. Let me know in the comments below. Let's start a conversation. And by the way guys, if you're wondering, it's located at the Dubai Mall food court on level 2. Alrighty guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a nice like, and leave a nice comment below. Let's start a conversation. I'll see you next time with another one. Till then, take very good care of yourself guys. Stay safe, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.